there is an argument about Gaelic that says that why bother to learn a language so that you can converse with somebody passably when you already know one in which you can converse with them a great deal better. Is there a reason other than an academic reason, do you feel, for learning Gaelic? You've put a sort of a nationalistic point of view forward, and you've also at the same time indicated that perhaps a lot of the people who should have this inbuilt nationalism haven't. So if that is the case, where do you see the reason for keeping the language going?
Well, the reason is that it's Manx and we are Manx and we live in the Isle of Man. That's the only reason. One can converse in Manx about anything that you can converse about in English, especially today when we have a modern vocabulary in the process of formation, a modern dictionary. And I would dispute really that you can speak, that it's a waste of time. You see, English-speaking people cannot understand bilingualism, and it's bilingualism that we are really aiming at. We don't wish to make the Isle of Man a Manx-speaking community. That's an impossible dream. It's bilingualism whereby we could speak Gaelic ourselves, and when a visitor asks you where the post office is, you say, well, it's in Regent Street, just round the corner, as they do in Wales. It's a nation without a language is no nation at all. And we believe that there is such a thing as a Manx nation. If there's not, then it's a waste of time learning Gaelic.